In this video, we will create project number 11. So this is our project. So some different views are given. You can see this is the top view. This is the section view from the front, and first, second, and third step. Step by is also mentioned in this drawing. So just zoom it. I'm going to start from the top view. I think that will be easy for us. So I'm going to get first circle with radius 22.5. Okay, just go to NX and select your top plane and create a circle first with radius 22.5, mean diameter will be 45. Just define diameter, how much? 45 mm. Okay, then create all your circles here. Okay, so another circle radius is 17 mm, mean diameter will be 34 mm. So again go for circle and define your dimension, how much? 34 mm dia. Okay, again we have to create third circle with radius 14 mm, mean dia will be 28 mm. So define the dia values, not 25, 28 you have to define. Okay, so now last circle you have to create with radius. You can see radius is 11 mm. So just define 22 mm dia. Okay, now you can see your all sketches are created in a single sketch. All circles are created. So now next what you have to do, now you have to extrude it. Go for extrude, and in selection method just go for single curve. Select your outer circle first, change your direction and define how much you have to extrude. So go for section view. You can see values is given for first plate, how much? 3 mm. So just define 3 mm dimension. Click OK. Now next again go for extrude for second circle. Second mean with radius 17 mm circle. How much you have to extrude it? 5.5. You can see from the section view. Go for extrude. Now select your last second circle and define 5.5 mm length values, distance values. Just apply. Next for third circle, radius is 14 mm and what is the height values? 3.5 from the second plate. So now we are not able to see our sketch, so go for visual style and change as a wireframe first, then only you can see your sketch. Now go for extrude and select your third circle. Select carefully and just define that values, how much? 5.5 plus 3.5, then that will appear. Okay, now you can change your visual style as a shaded visage. You can see here your object is created. Now next for this hole, what is the diameter values? 22. This hole you are going to create, so diameter values will be 22 mm. Okay, so again go to NX and cut out this. Again convert a static wireframe, because of we have to select inside circle. Select it, and now in this profile you have to cut out in both directions. So define until next in both start and end limit. Go for until next. Okay, just go for subtract. Just a second. Now you can convert this as a shaded views. Now go for subtract and now click OK. So now you can see cutout is created. Next step. Next what we have to create? We have to create this section. So for that, this circle die is given radius 26 and diameter will be how much? 52. So on this face create a circle first, how much? With the diameter 52, and just convert it as a construction. Just select that circle and right click on that, create as a construction. And another one line you have to create for that circle position, because of if both sketch you can see here where that will intersect, on that point only we have to create this circle. Outer radius is 6 and inner radius is 2.5. So with different radius, both circle you have to create first. Define 12 mm dia, and inside dia how much? 5 mm you have to define. Okay, Now go for project curve, and then you can project your outside. All sketches are in same sketch, so no issue. Just project all, and you can trim unwanted sketches. Just trim your all sketches. So first of all, you create a tangent line first, okay? Because what loop you need actually, you have to create that. So just create carefully. That should be tangent. Now just trim your unwanted sketches. Okay, so this is your sketches, unwanted sketches. Just close it, finish your sketch, and then now go for extrude. So single curve just changes and change it as a connected curve. Now also it's showing like means something, there will be an open profile or like a overlap profile. Okay, so just cancel it first and check your profile, check your sketch first. Let's zoom it. You can see one another some extra line is there, just trim it first, both side. That was incomplete profile. Now your profile is completed fully. Now just close it and then extrude it. Finish your sketch, hide this sketch. Okay, so go for extrude, select your sketch, change your direction, and define some values how much you have to extrude, or also you can define until extended. Okay, select your surface, and then okay, now you can see your one copy is created. So like that same you need another 3 copies. So for that what you will do, go for pattern feature, select a circular pattern, select a feature. So directly here also you can select, or also you can select from the navigation trees. So I'm selecting from here extrude 8, and as a vector select any face, center automatically. That will take how many number of copies you need? You need totally 4 number of copies. Okay, so just define count how much, 4, and total angle span angle already in 360. Just click OK, close. Now you can see all 4 copies are created. Now next what you have to do, you have to apply fillet with radius 7 mm. So just go and select your all edges and apply as blend, radius how much, 7 mm. So carefully just select it. Sorry, just deselect with shift keys and select that edges. Okay, vertical edges only you have to select. Select all edges. Okay, just click OK. So like that you can create your project. You can see your project is ready. Okay, you can see this is your project.